for all RBI Grade B 2017 aspirants. We at EduTap are here with our 100% dedicated MCQ course for RBI Grade B 2017. So we have been receiving many calls and emails inquiring about this course. So today we are launching this MCQ course for RBI Grade B 2017. So this will be a dedicated MCQ course. It will cover phase 1 as well as phase 2, right? So the sections that we'll be covering in phase 1 through MCQs would be the 4 sections that are asked in the actual examination. That is, the first section is English, the second section is quantitative aptitude plus data interpretation, that is quant and DI. The third section is reasoning. The fourth section is general awareness, right? So all these 4 sections will be covered through 10 full-length mock tests. So we'll be providing you 10 full-length mock tests on the same pattern and difficulty level as RBI. Right, so you'll be able to take the mock test online on our portal. And secondly, we'll also be giving you current affairs. Now, since you know that GA is a very important section for phase 1 and 80 questions or 80 marks out of 200 marks, right, is dedicated towards GA section alone. And what all you have to cover in GA, you have to cover the current affairs, the banking current affairs, economic current affairs, right, international institutions, all these things, RBI news. So we have framed MCQs on all these topics, specifically important for general awareness part, and we'll also be giving you these MCQs as part of this MCQ course. So we have covered the important international and national events, banking news from January 2017, right? So these are the sections that will be covered through this MCQ course. The sub courses under the phase 1 are, the first is the full length mock test, like I just told you, 10 full length mock tests, right? So these full length tests are 10 in number. And the second is the current affairs, January 2017 onwards. Fine, so you will be getting these things, 10 full length mock test with detailed solutions, right? So what you have to do after doing that full length mock test is that you have to analyze your strengths and weaknesses. So the areas which you are lagging behind in, you have to practice more questions on those areas, and you have to identify your strong areas. You don't have to attempt all the questions in the actual examination. You have to aim for the stronger areas. You have to look out for the questions in which you are strong, and then you have to clear the cutoffs. Fine. And these questions and these tests would have the same pattern and difficulty level as RBI, and will also be giving you the current affairs MCQs. So this is the coverage of phase 1 in this dedicated MCQ course for phase 1 and phase 2. Let's move on to phase 2. So this is a very important examination. This is a very important stage of the examination, that is the phase 2. So there are 3 papers in this phase. That is, first is the paper on ESI, second is the paper on finance and management, and third is the paper on English, which is descriptive. Fine. So these 2 papers are objective and the third paper is descriptive. In this MCQ course, we'll be covering these two papers. The first is ESI, the second is FM. So the sections that we'll be covering is, first of all, we'll be covering topic wise. We'll be giving you topic wise MCQs for ESI. We'll be giving you topic wise MCQs for each topic of finance and management as per the syllabus. Then the third thing that will be there is the MCQ punch. So in this course you will be getting additional finance and management questions on the important topics of finance and management. Fine. So these questions would be different from the questions given here. Fine. So these are additional questions. Then you will be getting 4 full length mock tests for ESI, 4 full length mock tests for finance and management. Then we have also framed MCQs on important RBI circulars and notifications. Now these circulars and notifications, not all of them, but a few of them are relevant for RBI Grade B, and we have framed MCQs on them. Then 100% numerical syllabus has been covered. Fine, be it bonds, be it risk management, be it income sheet or balance sheet, all these things, all these topics have been covered through MCQs on numericals. You'll also be getting chapter wise MCQs for every chapter of economic survey. You'll be getting very high quality and relevant MCQs for the budget, that is the union budget. Then you'll be getting around 400 plus MCQs on government schemes. Then we have framed different and specific MCQs for phase 2 current affairs, right? So as far as current affairs are concerned, there's a different strategy for phase 1 and a different strategy for phase 2, right? So the current affairs from sports, literature, all these things, persons in news, books, authors, are not asked in phase 2. So what is basically asked in phase 2 is the current affairs related to the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus, be it ESI or be it FM. So if there is a topic on inflation in FM, then there can be a current affair based question on inflation in the FM paper. Fine. If there is a topic of human development in ESI, then there can be a current affair based question on the topic of human development in ESI. Fine. So we have framed questions in this manner for phase 2. Then there is a very important document that is released by PRS, that is called Monthly Policy Review. We have framed questions on this document starting from January 2017. Right. Then there is a book which is released annually, that is the India Yearbook. We have framed MCQs on the important chapters, on all important chapters of India Yearbook as well. So these are the sections or the topics or the sub courses which are there under the phase 2 MCQ course. Let's move further. So let us discuss these sub courses. The first is the chapter wise MCQs on economics and social issues. So there are around 30 odd topics which are mentioned by RBI in the syllabus, and we have framed high quality and relevant MCQs for each and every topic of ESI. Fine, chapter wise. Same thing or the similar cases with the paper on finance and management. We have framed chapter wise MCQs for finance and management as well. Right. Then there is an MCQ punch for finance and management. Now there are a few topics in finance and management which are highly relevant and very important for RBI Grade B examination. If we go by the last year paper or the last 2 years paper, then we can easily identify that these topics are very relevant. So we are giving you additional MCQs on those topics for finance and management, right? As far as ESI is concerned, since most of the questions are asked from current affairs, so we are covering the budget, the economic survey, the monthly policy review, the government schemes and all through again MCQs. So this course on data and reports will contain the MCQs on budget, survey, monthly policy review, government schemes and India Yearbook. Fine. Then as I have already told you that we have framed current affairs MCQs for ESI and FM. Right, these are different from the phase 1 current affairs. Fine. So we have framed MCQs for current affairs for ESI and FM, and these will be delivered in this course. And then there are some important RBI notifications, releases and circulars. We have also framed MCQs on the same. And lastly, we have 4 full-length mock tests for ESI and 4 full-length mock tests for finance and management, and these will be delivered as per the schedule. Right, so all of these tests will be conducted post phase 1. Right, so there are 20 days between phase 1 and phase 2, and within these 20 days all these 8 tests would be conducted. So let's summarize. For phase 2 what all we'll be covering. We'll be giving you topic wise MCQs for ESI, 4 full length mock tests for ESI. So up till here, see, up till here, these are the things which are relevant for ESI, mostly ESI, right? So topic wise MCQs for every topic, 4 full length mock tests, economic survey, budget, government schemes, important chapters of India Yearbook and monthly policy review document. All these things are highly relevant for economics and social issues paper of RBI Grade B. Then from here on we have to see finance and management. You will be getting topic wise MCQs for finance and management, then additional topic wise MCQs in the punch course for finance and management, then numericals, solved as well as practice. We have also given you shortcuts, right, wherever possible. We have also given you MCQs on important RBI notifications and circulars. Fine. Then 4 full length mock tests for finance and management, and lastly, which is relevant for both ESI and FM, the current affairs for phase 2. We have covered all the important all the economic news, all the finance news, all the social issues news starting from December 2016. So we have not left anything to chance. We have started from December 2016 and we'll cover up to June 2017. Right, so we are covering from December to June. So these are the things that you will be getting in this course. So the total number of MCQs as far as phase 2 is concerned would be more than 5,000. Right, so the total number of MCQs for phase 1 plus phase 2 combined would be 8,000 plus. You'll be getting 8,000 plus MCQs, highly relevant and quality MCQs. It is not that we are just copying and pasting the MCQs. That is not at all ethical on our part, and that will just lead to wastage of your time. Right, so we have framed highly relevant MCQs. We have not given any MCQ which is not relevant. We are not giving MCQs just for the sake of giving MCQs or just increasing the number of MCQs. So our team has framed all the MCQs from scratch, and they are highly relevant and totally directed towards RBI Grade B examination. So what are the unique selling points of our course? See, the first very important point is that it is a course. It is not just a test series. Now what do I mean by this is that in a test series you don't get proper explanations. You are not able to grab the concept. Right, but through this course what we are doing is we are following a bottom-up approach, or we are carrying out reverse engineering. So you will be getting awesome explanations for the questions, and once you read the explanation you will be able to grab the concept as well. So it is as good as reading a book. So these questions are as good as reading a book or a standard book, fine, standard text. So since the time is very less and you don't have time to go through a book or a standard textbook right now, so this is a very good chance for you to grasp the concepts by solving as many MCQs as possible. Right, so with 8,000 plus MCQs, you will be able to clear your concepts as well. Then we have an online test portal. So you will be able to give the tests in a timed environment. So for every test there is a time limit set, and you have to complete the test in a timed environment, and in the actual examination again you have to appear online and you have to use a PC. So while attempting these tests you will be able to get the real feel of the examination. Then we have also framed questions of 1 marks and 2 marks. Right, so last year what happened was there were passage based questions which were of 2.5 marks, fine. So we have followed a similar pattern and we have made passage based questions also. Right, so there are 1000 plus MCQs on survey, budget and schemes. Now if you ask any senior or someone who has cleared RBI Grade B examination or has been preparing for it for a long time, they will tell you that survey and budget and schemes, these are the 3 pillars for ESI. Very, very important for ESI. So we are giving you 1000 plus MCQs on economic survey, the latest one, budget, the latest one, and schemes, all the updated ones. Fine. Then all important reports have been covered through MCQs. These reports are a must for ESI. Now be it the human development report, be it the world development report, all these reports are important, and the indices, the various indices and India's rank on those indices is also very important. So we have covered all these things through MCQs again, and this is highly relevant for ESI. Now the part which is generally the part which generally annoys the candidates, or the candidates are generally afraid of, is the numerical part as far as finance and management is concerned. Now we are covering 100%. All the topics of the numerical part have been covered, starting from bonds, time value of money, risk management, income sheet, balance sheet, right, derivatives, all these things, all the topics of numerical have been covered in our MCQ course. Then we have devoted separate MCQs. We have framed separate MCQs for phase 2. So for phase 1 the MCQs are totally different, and for phase 2 the MCQs are totally different. There is no overlap, right? And then you have, this is very important, you might be having some doubts, or while reading the MCQs or solving the MCQs some doubts may crop up. There is a dedicated discussion forum on the website. Right, this is the name of the website or the address of the website. There is a dedicated discussion forum. There are 2 email IDs and there is 1 phone number. You can use any one of these to get your doubts addressed. Right, so we'll be very glad to answer your queries and answer all your doubts. As far as the price is concerned, the phase 1 MCQ course containing the 10 full length mock test and the GA part from January is priced at ₹1500. The phase 2 MCQ course containing all the sub courses that I have told you just now is priced at ₹2000, and the bundle course, phase 1 plus phase 2 MCQ course, is priced at a discounted price of ₹3000 only. Right, kindly note that there is no discount applicable on this course, on all these 3 courses, be it individual discount, merit based discount, group discount or a scholarship discount. No discount is applicable on these 3 courses. Now how you have to subscribe to this course? You have to go to this address, edutap.co.in/learn. Right, then you have to select the course you want to buy. If you have already signed up, then you have to just log in. If you have not signed up, then you have to sign up for free. The payment can be made online through net banking, credit card, debit card. You shall be given access to the course instantly. Right, as soon as you pay the course fees, the course will automatically be added to your account. There is no manual effort required. Everything is automatic, and the course will be valid till 31st of December 2017. Right, so aspirants who are preparing for 2018 also, they can also benefit from this course. So if they want to start their preparation early, they can subscribe to this course. You can connect with us through our Facebook page. This is the name of the Facebook page that we are running. This is our blog address. This is the website that I already told you. We have framed some awesome videos analyzing the previous year papers, right, 2016 for phase 1 as well as phase 2. Right, so you can view our videos on this channel by the name of EduTap. We have also given some free English videos as well from our English course for phase 2. So how to write a précis, essay and comprehension, some videos are available for free. Some numerical videos are also available for free as far as finance and management is concerned. So you can go through these videos. We have also given strategy videos as well. Right, so these are our 2 email IDs. One is crackrbi@gmail.com and the second is learnofy@gmail.com. So you can drop us a mail on any of these IDs and we'll be glad to answer your queries. Thank you so much and all the best.